Magandang buhay mga ka-faith friends and welcome to our gospel reflection for today. Madalas worried tayo sa ating physical appearance kasi iniisip natin magugustuhan ba to ng asawa ko kapag ito ang sinuot ko? Mapapansin ba ako ni crush kung ganito ako manamit? And also because we think people will observe and judge our outer appearance, and the reason why we took time in looking for the best facial essentials, makeup, ano ba yung inadamit, that unknowingly we force ourselves to appear better physically. And with today's gospel, Jesus is reminding us that holiness is not something displayed to others, but something you kept in our hearts. Kaya konti na lang talaga ang tumitingin sa kalooban ng isang tao. Our inner life is always infused by many values, especially, of course, faith and love. And those values are not visible to our physical eyes, but they should be perceived through our hearts. Minsan, let us look at ourselves in the mirror and ask, am I worthy in the eyes of God or in the eyes of my fellow men? Because it's only God whom we need to impress. Mahirap magpanggap dahil hindi natin to kayang panindigan. God sees the inner appearance, and that is our heart. So it is important to grow in relationship with God and perceive praises to others. At syempre, bago tayo manghusga ng ibang tao, we must remind ourselves that we are all beautiful and equally in need of God's grace. We can be presentable outside, but never ever reject the transformation inside. Okay? At ito ang paalala sa atin ng mabuting balita. So do not forget to like this video. And for more godly reminder, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification bell for daily reflection. You may also visit us in www.faithbook.ph or download the app in Google Play Store. Thank you so much and have a good day, everyone. God first.